Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be doing some LOL face paint, but we're doing a Sally one for Halloween, but it's coming up. So we're using the clear paint. We have black, as you can see, and this light blue, and this, so you can put it in water, and you can see right here we have white. And this is a novel painting. It's LOL. It's a LOL, but it's darker. See, we're not that much done.
So far, so good?
So far, so good.
So we're doing her whole face or half a face?
Full face. As you can see, my mom's helping me paint it. Did you paint the eyebrow?
She doesn't have an eyebrow on this side.
No, she did.
I can add an eyebrow.
As you can see, we have to put the line, the straight line, and the other one. So as you can see, we're almost done.
So here is our semi-finished product of our LOL Sally. Next, we're gonna paint her hair black because we have a lot of colors going on here. She was painted previously.
Hello, I was just wondering if it would be a wonderful day to give my hair a little makeover. As you can see, I got myself blue right now. I'm a blue face.